My name is Marcus. I want to tell you my story. It is not a proud story. It is a mistake. I married a woman for her money. When I met Isabella, she looked simple and kind. She smiled quietly. She loved books and dreams. I told myself I loved her. But the truth is different. I had debts, big debts. I bought things I could not pay for. Cars, clothes, parties. I wanted a rich life, but I had no money. Then I met Isabella. Her family was rich, very rich. I saw her big house, her easy life, and inside me a voice said, "Marcus, this is your chance." She believed in me. She believed my words. She believed my smile. I gave her soft looks. I asked about her dreams. I said I cared about simple things, but inside, I cared about money. When we married, her parents gave us a house. They gave us gifts. I felt powerful. I thought, this is mine now. I quit my job. I bought a red sports car. I told her it was for us, but it was for me. I spent her money. I wanted more. One night, I drank too much. The truth came out. I laughed and said, "Why else would I marry you? Your money? Your name?" Her face changed. Her heart broke. And for the first time, I saw myself clearly. She called her father. The lawyer came. They had proof of my lies. I signed the papers. I left the house. I lost her. I lost everything. Now I sit alone. I think about her. I think about my choices. I told myself money was happiness, but it was not. It was a trap. It destroyed my love. I used her, I hurt her, and I hurt myself. That is my truth. That is my shame. If you listen to my story, learn from my mistake. Do not marry for money. Do not lie for comfort, because lies will always end in pain, and money will never buy real love.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.